Morning. The weather is so nice here. I'm picking up some tomatoes from my backyard. They are nice and ripe. Needs to be more ripe, but I pick them up and then keep it for ripening. Here I have some vegetables growing on the vines, like beans. Here I have lovely marigolds and ginger. This is red amaranth. It's growing. Ginger leaves taste good in tea. Here I have some tomatoes, and this is Spanish mint, good for tea. This is pepper. Next, this is a marigold, and this is pepper. It's not very spicy, but mild spicy peppers, and they grow this big. Some of them grow a little bit bigger. Here I have red amaranth growing. Turmeric. My turmeric is coming up very nicely in different pots. This is basil. So I try to chew on basil or make basil tea, which I'm going to make a video about. So in the morning when I come in the backyard, I try to pick up some leaves and chew on them. They're very good for health, very good for respiratory health, and also good for teeth. It kills bad bacteria. So these are my basil leaves for today. I'm going to make some tea today. And I like the smell of basil, and they grow very easily. A little bit of sunlight, water, and it grows. I have some basil here and some tomatoes. I try to plant basil, tomatoes, marigold together. It's a good combination to keep away bad guys out. So here are my tomatoes. They're so beautiful. So I'm going to pluck only very few which are ripe. So this looks ripe. When they are ripe, you can pluck it very easily. It doesn't take much time. So when they're not ripe, it takes time. This is ripe, but still I'm going to keep it outside in the kitchen counter for one day to make it more sweeter. Today I'm going to give buttermilk to my curry leaf plant and blueberry. So what I do is I take some yogurt, add some water, and just stir it to make it very thin. We want it very thin, so it's very easy for the soil to absorb it. So if you're taking 1/4 cup of buttermilk, if you have a lot of curry leaves plant, and add about 2 cups of water, stir it very nicely, make it very thin, and add it to the plant. And I give this to the curry leaves, to blueberries, and if it's extra, then I give it to other plants also. So today I'm going to repot mint. Mint is very easy to grow. Whatever I get from the market, I just plant it by cutting at the nodes, and it requires a little bit of sun, but not too much sun, and some water, and that's it. Your fresh mint is ready. So on this side I have grown fenugreek, which is methi, and I eat it when it's very small, like when it's micro green form. And in the same grow bag I'm growing mint. Mint tastes good in mint tea, and also I like to chew on them. So whenever you get any mint from the market, just cut it, take out all the leaves, only keep the top one, and put it in water. And these are all grown the same way. So I enjoy gardening. This is my methi fenugreek which is coming up. So do enjoy gardening.